Trainee marine engineer eligibility criteria. Who is a trainee marine engineer? He is an engine cadet. He goes on ship as a junior engineer or trainee marine engineer. So there are two ways to become a trainee marine engineer. So one is after doing BTech marine engineering. It's a 4-year course. After class 12th, you join a college which has got a BTech marine engineering course. You do that course, and after that you go on ship as a trainee marine engineer. So for that you have to clear your IMUCT exam. You need to have minimum more than 60% in class 12th, and please, even if you want to do BTech marine engineering, do from the colleges that we recommend. Again, for that go to Merchant Navy Decoded, go to career section, start as a beginner and see IMUCT में BTech में what all colleges are we recommended. कोई doubt आता है comment section में पूछो, we'll always give you the answer. Copy it guys. Second is ways you have done mechanical engineering or you have done any engineering which has got mechanical in with it, in say mechanical and automation, mechanical and IT, something like that, but mechanical word has to be there. Then you can do a graduate marine engineering course, which is a 1-year course. The eligibility criteria for a graduate marine course is that your age should be less than 28 years on the day of start of the training. Now this is the maximum. Many shipping companies have got minimum requirement as well, so it will be on case to case basis. Again, education qualification, you need to have a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering or naval architecture with a minimum score of 50% in aggregate. English में you need to have minimum 50% either in 10th or 12th or BTech marine engineering. And most important, last but not the least, color blindness तो दोनों cases में allowed नहीं है, but you can have 6/12 in both the eyes or 6/9 in good eye and 6/18 in the worst eye. This is the eyesight requirement. अगर आपको you want to check your medical fitness, whether you're medical fit or not, we have created an awesome medical fitness calculator page. Go to Merchant Navy Decoded, you can search there, or you go to career section, start as a beginner, find medical fitness calculator. You'll find a BMI calculator there, color blindness test there. You want to go to a DG approved doctor, find a DG approved doctor near me over there. You can get a blog and you can also search a query and get all your answers. What are you waiting for? Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.